Happy 2022, educational office professionals. Yes, we made it. I know sometimes we might not have felt, with all the chaos happening in our world today, that we would get to this point. Well, we are going to dig down into a session that's all about you during the virtual Winter Summit. I'm MJ Callaway, and I will be one of your speakers. And in Fearless Comeback, make your bounce back your bounce up. We're going to dig into what can help you move forward in 2022. We will kick off with why a bounce back can hold you back. And then we'll dig into the flip it technique so that you can shift anything negative into something positive. But most importantly, we are going to do the Super Size You activity. And this is where we are going to pull back and dig down into all those strengths that you have that maybe you forgot about or they've been buried underneath everyday chaos. We will end session one with establishing a reset button. Now be sure to register. Remember, it is February 15th and 17th. This is MJ Callaway, and I am looking forward to seeing you during the virtual Winter Summit.